welcome to another video where I'm going to show you how to use Wells Fargo digital wallet. So make sure you watch till the very end, and this is actually very easy. So Wells Fargo card is supported on four types of wallets. The first one is Apple Pay, next up is Google Pay. We also have PayPal and then Fitbit and then Garmin Pay. So basically these four wallets is what is supported by the Wells Fargo. Now how you can actually use it. So if you want to add it to Apple Pay, and this the process is same for all the other wallets that I just told you, you need to head over to your iPhone and then click on the wallet app, and then you're going to tap on the plus sign to add a new card. From there you're going to put in your Wells Fargo app card details, and once it's done you can just use your Apple Pay or Google Pay or Samsung Pay or PayPal, Fitbit, Garmin Pay, whatever you're using, and then your Wells Fargo card will be used. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.